So today I got a new tablet stand that was sent to me from Parblo. So I'm gonna have to unbox it, test it out, and see if it's something I can use. So let me kickstart this unboxing. So let me crack this thing open. I'm actually like really excited to unbox this. About PR100. Guess it's just explaining about the product, some information. I'll come back to that a little bit later probably. Let me just get the stand, see if I can get it out. Wow, I'm actually like having trouble trying to get this, but anytime I do these like unboxings, I kind of feel like a tech YouTuber, when they get the new products and do the unboxings and everything. So here's the PR100 stand. Let me see if I can, I'll leave that alone for now. I'll come back to it, but see, there's something else in this box. I don't think nah. Let me just clear this desk real quick, just so I can get some space to, really examine this. Probably just gonna throw this stuff in the corner for now, for the time being. So let me take a better look at this stand real quick. See if I can get this. I tried to adjust it, okay, I got it now. Okay, so you just pull that lever up and then you can adjust it. Nice, it goes like pretty high up. So I went over the pamphlet it came with real quick. So you can adjust this from 15 to 90 degrees. So that's a pretty good range. Like I said at the beginning, I'm gonna put this to use, test it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my iPad, try to see what I can do. So this stand isn't just specific to iPad, it's a tablet stand. It says it can fit most tablets, but I have an iPad, so that's why I'm gonna be using the 12.9-inch model to be more specific. First thing I noticed is the rubber part at the bottom, so when you set your tablet on it, it doesn't move that much from side to side. That kind of keeps it in place, so that should be beneficial. But the thing is, I actually owned another Parblo stand, this one over here, the smaller one. I got this probably in 2022. Maybe 2 years ago. If I turn it to the back, you can see there's like 4 levels of adjustment for the tilt. So the new one that was sent to me, it's gonna be an upgrade over this one. This older one's a little bit beat up too. You can tell, I got it a while ago, but this new one, I'm excited because right now I did use this smaller one for a lot of different things, not just like an iPad stand. And that's the main thing I want to do with this video is test out the newer one, see, like, experiment with different ways I could use it. So let me get to that right now. So obviously off the bat, for sure gonna use it for drawing, sketching. As mentioned too, the tilt can range from 15 to 90 degrees, so I just found a comfortable angle that I could draw at. I did too experiment with some different tilt angles just to test it out, try to see how it felt. But drawing isn't the only thing I do on my iPad. I use it a lot for productivity too. So this stand could come in handy when I need to set a work timer. I can set that in the corner of my desk while I'm working on a drawing, just to help me stay focused a little bit more. I also write on my iPad like all the time, because that's what I do on my video planning notes, mind mapping, digital journaling, daily planning. All my note taking is digital as opposed to like notebook paper, because it just feels easier to organize everything. But I'm gonna be using this stand a lot for note taking. Another thing too is I used my older tablet stand kind of as an easel to display art books in the background. So I'm gonna do it with this one too. It's a little bit larger too, so I can fit some of my bigger art books on it. But I am probably just most impressed with the tilt angle, it being able to go all the way up to 90 degrees. I'll probably use like a more steeper angle if I'm like listening to music, just so I can see like the individual song. Also, like when I'm watching YouTube, working on my art and watching YouTube, I can have that in the corner at a steeper angle. So I'm gonna definitely be playing around with this stand a little bit more, but thank you again to Parblo for sending this. I'll have more information in the description of the video, but new content is coming soon, so please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'm out.